Hello, Mike.
Hey, brother. What it be, homie?
I remember I cut your head. I cut your head. Remember, remember him, remember it. Remember me.
What?
I'm back me to you. To cut your head.
Google!
Yes,
Yeah.
not off. The hair.
Hair.
Only hair.
Ah, okay, okay. Nagan.
Ganda talaga, maraming isda. Kasi katatapos ng ulan.
Oo, mulan. Ay, ganito dito sa amin.
Kaya mo eh.
Maraming isda pag anong mo ulan.
Patod! Ano ka malangay? Kanina pa na pag tinaruya.
Oh, sige ka naman ya.
Okay, kanina pati pag tinaruya. Ako pa na sa'yo.
Ano higadlak? Kanina ko mapipili. Ano gadlak? Kaya ano tintuyo?
Ito kayo, kapaardala kayo.
Iro-irong gawas kong lamaw. Dito naman yan na sulibangay. Ayan. Parot ka, may yung babayad.
Agad oras na naman.
Parehas ka mo na. Di nalagang pala.
Dahil, ito naglilipad ako.
Parot ka, nadako. Oo.
Baya.
Sige, wartan, hartan.
A few moments later.
Kanang chicks na pagparot.
Kanang chicks? Eh, maglabang may bukit
Aray
chicks.
nga ma...
Kanang pan chicks.
Oo, ngayon.
Sorry. Oo, tayo
Yung mga akit ng chicks.
Siyempre.
Patod yung pagkakakarot. Yung din nila lawit-lawit.
Ay, siyempre.
Maharap ka ba eh? Patod. Inululungkatan ang halin. Pag mag-aating at tukang damay.
At tao, dayo.
May mga nasanag mga English.
Kaya ano, nasirin.
So dahil bukto.
Ano? Eh, magpapa-art may at...
Ano?
Oo.
Ano na ayaw pala kita pagkakarot?
Ano na?
Ayaw God.
Sigurado na matitibayad at...
Karawad ma, hindi pa naman
Ano,
human.
ano ito nina? Di nga ni buwas, sunod nga.
Ayaw God pa to.
Magpapa-art.
Karawad din sa
Sigurado
ugali
na
ni
buhat, ikabi ah.
Patod! Hoy! Ay, patod, kaloko man natin. Ano ba yung paghumana? Kung may barayan. Igala to doon dalang. Ba. Hindi mo upay, kakatuong ko naman. Patod! Kumanagad!
Di apre.
Patod!
A few moments later.
Hello, Mike.
Hey, brother. What it be, homie?
I remember I cut your head.
There's some. Go for it, vato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember him,
Yeah.
remember it.
Yeah,
Remember
you
me.
good, man. You.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
I'm back me to you. To cut your head.
Yes,
Yeah.
not off. The hair.
Hair.
Only hair.
Ah, okay, okay. It's the same.
No,
No,
not this.
Okay, okay.
And this. Different.
your hair. Your hair.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm gonna be a big celebrity.
Hindi ka malangay, halin.
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman.
Garot na pa to.
Mga kay ang panagit niya taghain kasi ito
Oh, siyempre.
tinatanhay una.
Sempre.
Siyempre, always my friend first.
Well,
Mike, I'm cutting my hair, oh.
oh, what happened there? He missed his spot.
Yes. No, tapos-tapusin.
Yeah, that's not good.
Because you first, Mike.
Hindi totoo yan.
No, I'm forced.
It's only my
I
cousin,
know, I
you're my
know, I
friend.
know. You can fix
Yeah,
it. He cut my hair before.
yeah.
He did a good job. He
You-
did a good job. Even
You always last.
Very, very.
Wayne said, "Oh, he cut the hair. He did a good haircut, Mike."
If you want, you
Sit there.
waiting me.
No.
For cut your
Di
head.
ako, diri.
You sit down there.
Di ako. I'm not ginagol. Imbes siya kami una.
Okay, Mike, I...
Yep. Anytime you're ready, brother. Oh yeah,
Master.
yeah, man. I don't want to drink my hair.
You're drinking master. You... See,
Kuhaan pa to, ha?
para away. Para away. Yeah.
Ano nga,
I don't,
Hey, Joe.
I don't know what I'm talking.
That's all.
I'm talking to you about
Don't
my
worry.
friend, my cousin.
Cousin.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Timothy Bradley.
Timothy.
Oh, I'm not Bradley. I'm Timothy.
Excellent. Thanks, man.
Yeah, what's right?
Ata, kay didikad lang ani pagmulat.
How's it looking, Connie?
Wala na, para kayo baro pag English.
Yeah, daga ko din.
I know you not
Di mo na
You not speak English. Ada sige pag pinag-istorya ya. Itim igi-istorya, igkukuang ko,
Translate.
tra-translate ko.
Translate. Okay,
Oo.
sige.
Mike,
Yes, sir.
talk to my cousin.
Yeah, pass me
And
my drink.
I interpret the word
What?
what he talking.
Okay, I'll try.
And yeah,
Ano pa pa to? Niliri. Asyatin mo. Kukuhan.
he said
Yes.
to me, you, my cousin,
Sasala mo sa umay.
upayin, the
I'll see.
away,
Okay, wait.
yeah, because the haircutting you, pulling you,
Pa pa to. Dahil guhulog itak biyahe ka na iya.
sige, paki-istorya dida.
Kumusta ka na, Mike? Kumusta na?
Oh, okay, Lan.
Ayaw na, kakaintin mo he said,
I know.
How are you?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
intindi.
I understand.
Ano man din kakabalahan?
I don't understand that. Donna, come
What-
on, man. She understands.
what's up you?
What's up? Getting my hair.
You're busy there.
Oh yeah, she's just a
Get
friend.
Asia.
Siya eh, ata.
She's
Hindi
a
nasari nga nga.
she's a friend,
It's okay.
Kevin. Yeah.
Ano?
But
Kaya
yeah.
ikaw manggod, kaya di ka man nakakaintindi talaga.
Ano man din kakaon? Kinakaon, Mike.
What is your food there?
I don't know.
Eh,
I very good. Oh, I had chicken. I went to Medolong.
Chicken,
I
man
had
ka na ganit chicken, man.
roasted
Eh,
chicken. Very nice.
Roasted chicken, yung mga lusyang ng mga chicken. Aw dire, kuan mga, basta siya eh, roasted. Makaintindihan na
Yeah,
itin.
Round and round.
Ah, nga, lechon. Lechon
Yeah,
baboy.
lechon.
Ah, lechon baboy, lechon
No,
man.
oh.
Magrasa mo yun at pinangangaon.
Eh, siyempre.
Ano mo din pinag-special Mike nga rin mo?
What is your special favorite drinking master?
Tara, ate, may drinking master.
Yeah, drinking
Dang.
drunk.
Shock tone.
Ah, soktong.
Tong.
Konting master. Ano ka rat?
My favorite drink is
Master Riek, drink.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ako parang napadam. My cutting this is very
yeah, I understand.
low but
Yeah,
you
but
have extension wire.
no. Just you have you're pretty good. You can finish it. I don't have it. Yeah, I have an extension
Ah, patutugin
wire.
na istoryahan nila.
Papakuha ko yan extension wire kung may da. Hikaw nalalugod nga to. Kuha.
Ura-ura natin pa kayo.
Kung may tao din na ito.
Asensor to nga. At wala na nga yun. Mga mano yun.
You don't have scissors. You got scissors.
A few moments later.
Patad, dawli na.
If there any,
Anong tabi na? Manunubong pa. Kabaktinan.
Hindi totoo yan.
Was na lain.
Wala o, sige, ang butayin.
if there any single
Wala ka, o, sige.
Filipino,
You know, Mike, my
Yes, sir.
cousin, he aringitize me.
what's that?
Aringitize. Like, hit me because
What's his name?
Timothy,
Oh,
because here I cut, you know,
cut his
not finish.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
He aringitize me. Hit me like
It
that.
happens. That's relatives for you.
2,000 years later.
Ano? Kamusta na yung ginukupitan mo doon?
Hindi nga ako nakapiso. Wala, hindi ako binigyan.
Malaki sana ang ibibigay niya sa'yo. Nanalo pa naman yung sa Sultres.
Sino?
Si Muti.
Sayang. Sigurado gud na hatagat na ako. Pinasara na tiya nga. Naglukod ta kay Tina mga yung surprise pa.
Oo.
Hindi nagbigay sa akala ko kasi dollar. Bigay. Kasi Amerikano. Foreigner ba?
Foreigner.
Bait.